Public Works Secretary Vince Dizon announces an indefinite suspension of road reblocking nationwide due to allegations of corruption. At a press conference on Friday, October 10, Dizon says he will issue a new department order regarding road reblocking.
Effectively now, I will be suspending all reblocking activities. No? Pinapasuspend ko and gagawa ako ng bagong department order on reblocking. Ito talaga, kinakagalit to ng lahat ng mga kababayan natin at naririnig ko na to, elementary pa lang ako. Bakit ba merong mga kalye na maayos naman na tinitibag, sinisira, tapos gagawin ulit? Hindi ba? Di ba usong-uso yan? Dekada na natin naririnig yan, di ba?
He says the suspension follows reports of road reblocking projects being carried out despite the absence of actual issues. He cites projects in Bocaue, Bulacan and Tuguegarao City. Dizon alleges that these projects may have been undertaken to secure kickbacks.
Bakit ba ang DPWH binabakbak ang mga kalye na parang okay naman para lang gawin ulit? Diba? Well, siguro sa maraming pagkakataon, alam na natin kung bakit. Diba? Okay. Kasi pinagkakakitaan lang yun. Pinagkakakitaan yung pagsisira, pinagkakakitaan din yung paggagawa ulit.
However, Dizon clarifies that the suspension does not affect maintenance work on roads that are already damaged. According to Dizon, the forthcoming department order on road reblocking will be more clear and transparent, ensuring that such projects are properly justified.